if I get a chance to meet him, I would
Hmm.
ask that what did you do that you are singing so well?
Ah,
What
yeah.
what's the secret of your sweet voice? Yeah,
What's the secret of your sweet voice? I love that. I
yeah.
like Bollywood music. I love Bollywood music, but I don't know any specific singers or anything.
Okay. Hindi songs
Uh-huh.
or yeah, 90s specials. That's my favorite ones.
Oh,
And
wow.
so
Uh-huh.
also, in fact, I think that everyone should be connected with music in any way.
Why do you think that? I agree with you, but I want to know why you
What's the
think that.
reason behind it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when you are connected with music
Mm-hmm.
and you become a cool-minded person, okay, without having too much stress. So
Okay.
yeah,
So when you did you say cool-minded?
yes, cool,
Do you mean relaxed?
relaxed mind. Yeah,
Oh, okay. So uh
calm in your personality,
calm. Yes, I like that. Calm-minded. Okay, so you're calm. Uh-huh.
right? And music brings a smile on your face rather than
Yeah.
doing the other stuffs. Okay,
It's true.
and yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
when you sing, you smile, and your smile makes other smiles too.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
very true.
So it also gives you energy, right? When you start singing, or when you start listening to music, you feel
Mm-hmm.
more energetic in yourself.
Yes, yes, it's very true. And singing with others create a close bond with others that you sing with, a community.
Exactly, because it's like going on the one way, right? They are going on
Mm,
the one way. So when
mm-hmm,
you start singing, two or more than two, everyone
mm-hmm,
is doing the same at the same time. So it's like
mm-hmm,
not the same way, right?
mm-hmm,
Your mentality become the same
hmm.
mentality.
Oh,
First,
yes, we all come together. Uh-huh.
yeah. So it's
Mm-hmm,
like different souls, different bodies with one
mm-hmm,
mentality.
mm-hmm. With one mind is what we would say in English. With one mind.
Yeah,
One
exactly.
mind. Mm-hmm.
So and
Ah, mm-hmm.
and okay, so you like music, and what else? Do you
So,
also?
well, I have one question. I have one more question for you.
Okay,
Who would you love to talk to? A musician, your favorite musician, who would you love to talk to, whether they are alive or not alive? Who would you love to
okay.
speak to?
That's a super nice question for me, especially for me. Yeah. So if you talk about singer, okay, so
Okay.
singer, then obviously I would love to talk to my favorite singer. And
Mm-hmm.
if you talk about musician, then they are not alive anymore. Okay.
Okay.
And is it necessary to name their names?
Yes, I want to know who's your favorite singer. Let's
Okay.
talk about the
So
singer.
their name is Nadeem Sravan. It's a Hindi
Okay.
name
Nothing.
actually.
Sarban.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are super musicians of 90s.
Oh, of the
Okay.
90s. Okay.
So these are two that I would love to talk. So
Mm.
yeah. So my favorite
What
singer, fortunately.
what would you ask your favorite singer? I'm sorry.
Okay. So
What Oh, sorry.
I got your question.
Sorry, there must be a lag. What
Yeah.
would you ask your favorite singer?
Okay. So actually, there's not specific question in my mind right now. but if I get a chance to meet him, I would
Hmm.
ask that what did you do that you are singing so well?
Ah, yeah.
What's the secret of your sweet voice? Yeah,
What's the secret of your sweet voice? I love that.
yeah,
Ah, that's good.
and how one should feel energetic, okay,
Hmm.
and also inspired to
Mm.
keep working on their goals.
Mm.
Because when you become popular, right,
Mhm.
it means you did something specific
Mhm.
in a specific way.
Mhm.
So it's kind of lesson for others who also want to do the same that you did,
Mhm.
right?
Yes. Mhm. So, are they still popular or not so popular anymore?
Actually, you know one thing, Samantha, when you mostly people like to listen the songs
Mhm.
that they begin to listen at their childhood, right? In their childhood, I mean,
Mhm.
yeah,
In your childhood. Mhm.
right, in your childhood, and those singers or musicians or any other men people, they become your favorite, right?
They
They
become, say that one more time. They
they
become,
your favorite. They become your favorite one, or they become your favorite ones. Okay,
oh, okay.
it doesn't mean that next generation would like that too. It doesn't.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
So yeah. So it depends on person
Okay. So they're somewhat
because
popular.
I feel yeah because I feel that types of singers that I like next
Mhm.
generation they prefer to listen other types of singers, right?
Right. Yes,
Yeah.
that's true. Mhm.
So I cannot say that the singer who is the best for me is also best for
Mhm.
someone else.
Yes, I can see what you're saying. So we've talked
Yeah.
about the singer. Let's talk about the musician.
We have
So
just
I know we only have 2 minutes.
uh,
What instrument does that musician play? That's your favorite musician.
okay. In fact, I would like you to tell me about your musicians or maybe
Hmm.
singer that you who is your favorite one?
I can't decide. I have too many because I like too many genres. Um,
Oh,
if
okay.
if I'm talking about opera, then my favorite singer would be Kathleen Battle.
Okay.
If we're talking about uh, pop
That's good.
music, I like Lana Del Rey, although she's a little depressing. Um,
Oh,
she's a little depressing. I don't know why I like her. Um, and then if I'm talking like more like jazz music, um, I like old singers that are not alive anymore.
okay. But music songs are alive.
Yeah, like Doris Day. Or do you know who Michael Bublé is? Michael
Who Mike
Bublé?
Michael Bublé?
Michael Bublé. Yeah. I think
No,
he's Canadian.
no,
Oh,
no.
okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Well, they sing like jazz type music. It's I like that type of music. I like Bollywood music. I love Bollywood music, but I don't know any specific singers or anything.
Okay. Thank you so much for saying about them that you like.
Yes.
And
You.
as we have the last minute, hope to see you